Are you ready for Black Friday 2018? Well, you better get ready. I don't need to get ready because I stay ready for savings. You better be ready, you better be pumped. I only bought 4 things this Black Friday. I meant to buy 0 things, but guess what? I bought more than 0, I bought 4. Doesn't sound like a lot, but it was more than I wanted to spend, which was nothing. So we're gonna pretend like this is an ad because this was my fun idea for this because I bought 4 things, and that's not a lot to show you. So I'm gonna yell at my camera for a few minutes and pretend like this is a Black Friday ad that's really obnoxious and in your face. Door busters! We got some door busters for you. We're gonna bust down those doors and get some savings. It's a door buster. We got lots of door busters, just like this one. Boy, we got some deals for you today. First up, from Zara. I had it in my cart anyway, and then I went to check again and it was like, blammo, we're having a 30% off sale. And I was like, wow, stuff never goes on sale at Zara. So, especially these nice coats, and this coat was like, I don't know, over $100. Now I knocked it down to less than that. I don't remember the exact price, sue me, okay? But I got a decent deal on it, you know, and I had my eye out for a coat like this for a while, for the winter. And I love fuzzy, furry coats. That's just my jam. So I got it. I also got these sick-ass boots from Topshop. I had seen them on my Instagram feed from 1 or 2 of the bloggers that I follow. Saw them. Those people, thankfully, tagged what they were wearing, which, you know, that's a pet peeve of mine when people don't tag what they're wearing on Instagram, because it's like, I want to know where you bought that. That is the whole point. Tell me where you bought it so I can also buy it, or you know, pretend like I have the money to buy it, but then still just like know where it's from, alright? But yeah, saw they were from Topshop, went online to look at them and see if I could find them, and they were like, I don't know, 100 less, 100 or around 100, more than I wanted to spend at that time. And then I was already on Zara, look at the Black Friday, and I was like, well, might as well look on Topshop and see if they're having a sale. And you betcha, they sure were. They sure were having, you know, it was just like 20%. That's another thing. This Cyber Monday thing is like, it's all Black Friday, it's all Cyber Monday, which is great because stuff's online, you don't have to bum rush the store and people don't have to get injured anymore. But at the same time, it's like 20% is like, I mean, site-wide is pretty good, but like, it could be more than 20%, you know? It could be like 30 or 40. That would be much better, I think. For like online stores like that, like I feel like it should, for Black Friday, which is the biggest, you know, sale of the year, shouldn't it be more than 20% site-wide? Let me know in the comments below if you agree with that. I think it should be more than 20%. But yeah, Topshop I think was 20%, and then I also tricked them by signing up for their newsletter, and so I got an additional like 15% off of that, and so I got a good deal on these sweet, sweet white cowboyish boots, which are so sick and I love them. I've been looking for a pair of white boots for a while, but it's very hard to find the specific style that I like. This actually wasn't exactly what I was looking for, but they are too cool for me to pass up. This pink sweater was another thing I had my eye on, something, a big kind of chunky sweater in this exact kind of cut, a thick knit with nice kind of billowy, not billowy sleeves, balloony sleeves, clown sleeves, no, what are they called? Balloon sleeves? Not exactly balloon sleeves, but I'll insert what I'm talking about above. I'm slowly getting out of my like voice of like, this is a sale, because it's hard to maintain that level of volume for an extended period of time. And if you know me in person, you know I am quiet and I mumble. So speaking this loudly is very weird for me and very out of character, and I don't love it, alright? So, and I don't know exactly how to make this like an ad. Like I'm just doing this kind of, you know, spur of the moment, this idea, so just like roll with it, alright? We're just rolling with it. This is a sick, I really love this sweater. I'm gonna wear this constantly all the time. I love this sweater. It was an excellent purchase. This one I got from ASOS. It is mango, but I bought it via ASOS. ASOS? I think British people say ASOS, but I say ASOS, always have. ASOS, that doesn't make any sense. No one says that. I say ASOS. It's ASOS. I say ASOS because ASOS sounds like you're like, it's slang for applesauce. Like, hey man, give me some of that cinnamon ASOS. I don't like the way that sounds. I don't like that. That sounds weird. So we're gonna say ASOS. That sounds better to me. But yeah, that's where I got this sweater. It's sick. It's dope. I got it at the Black Friday sale. You're here. I feel like I should have a New York accent. That was not a New York accent. I am so sorry. I feel like I should have a New York accent for this. Like a, you know, like a New York, New Jersey car salesman accent. I'm not even gonna attempt it, because it would be so bad. You can also take this pink skirt and put it, nope, it's a pink shirt, nope, it's a pink sweater. You can take this pink sweater and put it with a blue denim skirt. This one has little embellishments on it. I got it from Target on sale. I also got these jeans from Target on sale, or those jeans that were, you know, in the previous outfit. Those ones were on sale at Target. Like I said in my previous video, my fall lookbook, which is linked below and above, which you should check out if you have not already. I buy a lot of things on sale at Target, alright? And these are two of those things. The pink in this outfit, I look a little bit like a rhinestone cowboy, but that's like okay. That's a look, that's an aesthetique. We're going for it, we're doing it, we're living life, we're feeling our oats. Hunty, bought another thing on Black Friday in the Black Friday sales of 2018. I'm slowly losing my drive here, people. Bear with me. You can also pair this denim skirt with that cropped turtleneck from Zara. I also got this ribbed turtleneck thing from Zara. Online it said it was pink. This is clearly, it's not exactly pink. It's more of a burnt salmon, burnt reddish, burnt orange red salmon kind of deal. I still like it. It's still a good cut of a shirt. I really like the mock turtle cut of the shirt. So that's what we got today. That was on sale from Zara. Got it as well as my coat. I had to delete a few other things from my cart because I was trying to not spend money, but the shirt was like 12 bucks. I'm like, I feel like I'm stealing from myself if I don't buy that, so. And then layer up and put that fuzzy furry teddy coat on top of it. Great outfit, great time. You can wear all of these outfits. You've noticed I've paired them with these white boots because guess what? Black and white goes with everything. White boots go with everything. It's awesome. This black bag is from Zara. I've had it for a few years, but it's a nice, good, classic-y black bag with a little bit of texture with the snake skin. It's not real snake skin, it's from Zara, and I wouldn't kill a snake, I guess. I don't know. I hate snakes, so actually I wouldn't mind killing a snake. So, but yeah, it's not a real snake. Whatever. That's just a sample of what we've got in our Black Friday sale. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. This was an idea and I'm like kind of running with it. I wish I had more time to like plan it out because it doesn't like make a ton of sense like this, but just like I try to do something fun and funky and like mix up the format and something creative, and it just like came to me, so I figured why not try it. But yeah, my light, I'm losing my light, so I'm gonna go ahead and make my sign off really quick. Thanks for watching. I'm trying to figure out how to end this like it's an ad. Here's all the things you can buy from the sale. I don't know. All right. Thank you for watching. If you like this, leave a thumbs up. If you like this kind of style of stuff, it's like creative humor. I don't know. Honestly, I just gave it a try to see how it would go. But if you liked it, let me know in the comments. Leave a like, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And I will see you again next time. And next year for the 2019 Black Friday sale, I'm already ready. I'm already pumped. Bye guys.